Hello everyone, welcome in Craftingwheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet tie for hair, and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video. At first I will use Elise BB screen yarn and the elastic band like this, and hook number 2.5 millimeter as shown now. Let's start. I will start round 1. I will make a slip knot as shown now. Then I will make single crochet stitches around all that elastic band as shown now. I will make it and I will come back. Now I finished single crochet stitches around all that band, and I will close with slip stitch to close round 1 as shown now. With the shape. Then I will start round 2. I will make 4 chains as shown now, and make double crochet into same stitch, then make a chain and make double crochet again into same stitch, and repeat making a chain again, and make double crochet again into same stitch 2 with the shape. Then I will skip next 3 stitches and repeat same thing into the 4th stitch. So I will make double crochet, then chain, then double crochet again into same stitch, then make a chain again and make double crochet again into same stitch, and make a chain and make last double crochet into same stitch as shown now, and repeat with same sequences across that row with the shape, then close with slip stitch. Now I finished round 2 with the shape. Then I will close with slip stitch to close that round. Then I will start round 3. I will make 4 chains as shown now, and make triple crochet stitch into into next space as shown now. Then make 3 chains and make 2 triple crochet stitches together into next space as shown now. I hope that obvious for you. Then repeat making 3 chains again and make 2 triple crochet stitches together into next space. Then I will make 4 chains and make slip stitch into next space. Here into that space I will make slip stitch as shown now. Then make 4 chains again and repeat with same sequences. So I will make 2 triple crochet stitches together into next space, into that space as shown now. Then make 3 chains and make 2 triple crochet stitches together into next space. Then repeat with same sequences across that tie. I will make it and I will come back. Now I finished that round. Then I will close with slip stitch as shown now and cut our yarn with the shape and fasten off. Now I finished that hair tie or hair band, and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.